Hi everyone, a very good morning. Welcome to Power Integrations Electronica. At Power Integrations, we drive things efficiently, especially when it comes to motor drivers. So today we have three demos. We have a 750 watt motor driver, which uses no heat sink at all. Plus we have 70 watt as well as 150 watt solutions, which will highlight you sleep mode and highest efficiency and lowest power dissipations.
We have here a 720 watt EV charger for two-wheelers. High efficiency, 94%, best in class, lowest no load consumption, highly scalable platform right from 220 watt all the way till 1650 watt.
Here we have our complete range of power supplies for appliances. I would like to introduce our latest family in Tiny Switch, that is Tiny Switch 5. We have single output and dual output applications here. And then we have InnoSwitch 3 EP, which has an inbuilt MOSFET from 650 volt to 1700 volt for reliable power supply for Indian market.
Excited to see you on Electronica with industry's most reliable gate driver solution of power integration, which is ScaleFlex LT-NTC, which is a part of ScaleFlex family, which is used in applications like ESS, solar, and railway applications. Designed with no iteration with power integration gate driver.
This is an scale EB gate driver designed by the Power Integration, targeted for the heavy vehicle like electric buses and the heavy trucks. This is a highly integrated gate driver. It reduces the qualification and the design cycle up to the 40%. It works over the FluxLink technology.
I'm excited to show you our planar reference design, which we have made for automotive power supplies as a micro DC-DC inverters. Here we are using our InnoSwitch 3 AQ automotive qualified part. You can have a very wide input range starting from 40 volt DC to up to 1000 volt DC.
So today we are exhibiting our high voltage GaN devices from 750 volt to 1700 volt. This is our 46 volt dual output regulated design in InnoMux 2 EP, and this is the only 1700 volt GaN device in the market.
Come to Power Integrations booth, Hall 3, booth 1. We have 36 plus demos ranging from metering, automotive, EV, three-wheelers, two-wheelers, gate drivers, and motor control.